those videos where I pick a beauty guru and I try and do their makeup tutorial on camera. The humor behind these has been really good makeup artists doing really not that good makeup tutorials, and then the opposite, people who aren't that great at makeup trying to do very excellent beauty tutorials by very excellent beauty gurus. I'm gonna be the latter. We all know I am not a makeup artist of really any ilk, and so I think this should be hilariously interesting. I'm going to actually attempt, I haven't even picked the one out that I want to do yet, but I think that maximum humility is going to come from me trying to do a Nikkietutorials tutorial. I actually in the past did a Mikey Glam and Gore tutorial, and it turned out pretty good. I think it was touch and go for a while, but honestly when I watched her do it, she probably described her own doing of it as kind of touch and go. But that's been a while ago, so I figured since it's just this fad that's sweeping the internet, I was going to go ahead and do one because I think they're really fun to watch. So guys, I'm gonna pick out a video here and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I am armed and dangerous here. I've got all of my palettes and I'm still not sure I'm gonna have what I need to do any of these tutorials. So I chose her anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial from January 29th of 2017, and it is fairly common colors that someone might have, but if anybody has watched Nikki's videos before, her videos are not typical. Like, they're definitely really artistic, and a lot of people probably wouldn't have a lot of these colors just lying around, so we're gonna do the best that we can with the tools at our disposal, and we're gonna go ahead and hop in. She is starting with the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I don't have that, but I do have the Super Stay Better Skin from Maybelline. It's in a really, really pale color, actually too light for my skin, so I feel like that's right in the spirit of Nikkie, and also it's a full coverage foundation. So let's go ahead and do this. That feels terrible. I shouldn't say that. It's just not what I'm used to. Alright, so she's going in with Shape Tape underneath the eyes. She does like these giant triangles underneath her eyes. Do you like that I went for the Nikkietutorials blocked out lip? There we go. I'm not usually the kind of person who does that, but I think that this is going to be kind of a valuable exercise. I realized after watching Mikey that I really liked lip liner. Like, I was kind of joking around. I bought kind of like what I thought was a really dark lip liner. So I did, and it became my favorite lip liner. So yeah, maybe I will break myself out of my comfort zone here and learn something about myself, but right now, I look terrifying. All right, what do we do now? Please say powder, please say powder.
And now setting my face to make sure my face lasts all day.
All right, let's do this. And we're gonna set underneath my eyes with the Coty Airspun here. What? Come on, girl. I look crazy. Going in with a primer on the eyes. She always goes in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, but I don't have that because that's basically concealer, so I'm just gonna use a really good concealer. This is not as like dry, I would say, as that, but it works just as well in terms of like bringing forward the pigmentation in an eye look, so hopefully I'll be able to achieve her level of pigmentation in an eye look. Not that I have the expectation that I'm actually going to achieve this look, but we're gonna get as close as we can.
Alright, so let's go into the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in with the color Katsina. I'm gonna blow up this color in the crease from left to right and up and down. Alright,
she's gonna blow this color out left, right, up, and down. I never take anything all the way to the bridge of my nose.
Now I'm gonna go into...
Wait, I gotta catch up, Nikki. She always does one eye, and then she like actually teaches one eye and does the other one off camera, and so it's always a little bit faster. Alright, so there. I don't think that that is what she intended, but it's what we have.
Demilla and deepen and warm up that crease even more. And I'm focusing this mainly in the crease.
Okay, so she's got like red. It's basically red with a little bit of like an orange in it, and so I don't have a red eyeshadow, but I do have Exhibit A from NARS, so we're gonna kind of use this to mix what we need.
Also making sure I really blow and haze it out.
Am I beauty guruing? Okay, so now we're going straight in with that same red. We're gonna do one of these. Go really just all the way up.
For the lid, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite
Wait. I just washed all of my brushes, and I'm going to have to wash all of my brushes again. I always thought I didn't have enough, like, eye real estate to do all these looks, but it's really just that they paint their entire face. And that is like a kind of pink-ish pink. It's like a hot pink, though. I don't really have, like, a hot pink. We'll just see how this goes. She just really slams the product on there. Like, I think that that's half the battle, is just freaking going for it, you know?
And putting a little bit of Bororo on the outer lid.
Alright. Same brush. Bororo, but I mean, I don't have Bororo. These are so beautiful and I don't have any of them, but that's fine. We're gonna go hot and bothered on this one. Are we ever gonna blend that, Nikki?
Highlighter in Charming Pink for the brow bone.
Okay, alright, that's going on the brow bone. Some Charming Pink. That's actually similar to something that I actually have sitting here, so we're gonna go with Satin Sheets. I'm using the Natural Love palette from Too Faced. Okay. She just like lays it down. It never feels like she has to blend anything. I'm going to blend the living crap out of this here in a second. Alright, even though she didn't say to do it, girl, we gotta blend. I'm gonna get a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of swirl all these lines together, because right now she's looking a little crazy. Yeah? Bird of paradise over here. Do I ever do my waterline? The answer is no. But do I have a black eyeliner? I actually do. I almost never use a black eyeliner, but I have one. Why won't this line my waterline? Well, I fully hate that feeling. Okay, cool. We're smoking it out, so it doesn't matter that I got it everywhere. Cool. Doesn't matter that I got it everywhere. Your mom walks into your room as a teenager and she's like, "Are you okay?" Alright, she's just really
now mixing
going for it.
Cad, which is the black, and Jamila, and smoking this on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Okay. Now go ahead and take Sokoto.
Hang on, girl. Alright, so I'm like out of brushes, but I think I have a pencil brush in here somewhere we can steal. Yes, a pencil brush. I hate these brushes, but we're doing it because Morphe.
And to give that inner corner a pop, I'm adding...
Hang on, we're not done smoking. We're not done smoking stuff out. Need a little bit more of this this red color so that I look thoroughly insane. I think that makeup tutorials are like 90% believing in yourself, because you look crazy until like the very end. I don't know.
And as a finishing touch, highlighting my inner corner using that regular highlighter again.
Okay, alright, she's got another brush. I'm out of brushes. I don't really have a lot of real estate right there, but we're gonna go for it.
For lashes today, I'll be using...
For lashes today, I will not be using lashes because I am not going to waste a set of lashes on this. Also, I don't ever keep any around, and so I don't actually have any. But we'll just put on some mascara. Just gonna go in with my liquid lash extensions from Thrive Cosmetics, and while she's doing that, I will do this. I gotta hand it to her. If I look at just my eyes, they're kind of a masterpiece. Am I gonna leave my house like this? Probably not. But like, she knows what she's doing. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows because she doesn't do her brows on camera ever. She uses like 18 products, so pause and I'll be right back with my brows done. Okay, great. Actually, you know what I haven't done? I haven't put on any brow pomade. Okay! So, I still look crazy, but up close, my eyes look really pretty.
Alrighty, it's time for cheeks. It's time to show these bitches what they're missing out on. No, honestly, I am living for these eyes. So I'm going to keep up the game with my cheeks. I'm going to go in with this little bad boy right here because I haven't been using this in a hot minute. This is Kevyn Aucoin Medium Sculpting Powder. This will forever and always be one of my all-time favorites. It's so good. And what else is really good is this brush.
I don't have a fan brush.
I am so glad that I finally
I'm sorry.
Must have changed my contour game for the good.
I'm just using the brush that I got from the beauty crop. She's clean. Gonna contour my little nose here with something. I literally don't have any brushes clean, but we're gonna try anyway here. Oh, I'm chiseled. Not sure there's much else to say for that, but I'm chiseled.
I want to keep it more on the, pale, vampy side, but I also kind of really want to wear blush. So I'm going to go in with Dandelion Blush by Benefit, and this brush right here,
what does it look like?
Just giving herself a little bit of blossom.
Alright, I don't know what color she just used because she didn't show it. She said she wanted to keep it pale pink, so we're going pale pink. We're going to go NARS, what do we think? NARS Orgasm on the cheekies. Of course, my nose just hates all this powder that I'm putting on my face. Where do you put it? Alright, she just kind of goes for it.
Smells good. Smells like a spring day up in here. And to stay in the theme.
Wait for it. Okay.
Of this beautifully pinky highlight we got going on, I'm going to go back into that Laura Geller highlighter. I've been obsessed with this. And this Ofra fan.
I only own one highlighter, so that's what we're doing. In very typical Nikkietutorials form, we are not just going to do a gentle highlight all over the face. We are going to do it in those high points of the face and make sure that that glow is, not natural.
Who gave Laura Geller the right to blind like this?
I still don't totally get this trend. I'm not gonna lie. I don't completely get it. Why we're putting this here.
Alright, now I'm gonna set my face.
She literally draws an exclamation point of highlight on her nose, and so we're going for it.
Using the Milani Make It Last spray, and right before the spray has set, I go in with a little bit more highlighter.
We're not setting this.
Alright, for lips today, the choice is absolutely up to you. You can literally do whatever you want with the lips. I am personally going to go with a dark, almost black red. Originally, I wanted to go for black, but I kind of feel like that's going to scare people away. And since my face in general kind of scares people away already, I kind of wanted to go softer, so I went for a red black instead of a regular black. So I'm going to go in with this Ofra liquid lipstick in the color Harlem.
Okay, so I don't have a liquid lipstick in the color Harlem, but I have a lip liner and a lipstick that are far darker than I'm comfortable with, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup lip color in Dip Out.
And by the power of a wig, this concludes this anti-Valentine's Day red, grungy, smoky eyes, and dark, vampy lips. I hope you enjoyed.
So, guys, I don't know. After now having this on my face, girl, I mean, I get it. She was going for a cool goth, anti-Valentine's Day look, and the whole time, it felt insanely uncomfortable putting this much makeup on my face, but that is why I have so much to learn, because this is, frankly, incredible. Did I say my teeth? I have lipstick on my teeth, that's what's happening. Am I gonna leave the house like this? Probably not. Does this look great? Yeah, actually, it really does, and I don't think it's because I'm good at doing makeup. I think it's because Nikki is good at instructing you on how to do makeup, and there was just something about somebody being like, put it everywhere! Be fearless! Okay, I don't know, it makes a big difference for me. I would never, ever just slam all this color all over my eyes and just assume that it was gonna look good. And I got this Milk Makeup lipstick in, my Birchbox, and I was like, yeah, I'm never gonna wear that. Probably still never gonna wear it, but it's not the worst. It's not as scary as I thought that it was. I mean, I get it. I get you, Nikki. I get you, Nikki. This is fun. This is a fun level of makeup to wear. Do I want to go claw my face off right now? Yes. Yes, I do. I would say that the thing that I probably take away from it the most is that you can get more color impact out of everything that you put on your face if your foundation is actually like maybe uncomfortably thick when you're putting it on. You're like, yep, this feels like too much makeup. Still feels like too much makeup. And then by the time you get it all on, you're like, actually that was the right amount of makeup in order to make everything show up. Definitely like any makeup look that I do on a regular basis, everything is just so much more toned down than this, and not just in concept. It's not just like, oh, it's toned down because the colors are toned down. It's like, no, the opacity is toned down. Everything is just kind of more blurred. And I think that that's just because I don't ever go in with this much foundation or this much eyeshadow base underneath my eyeshadows or anything like that. Plus, never line my waterline, ever. I almost never use black eyeliner to begin with, and I never wear like a dark lip. I never throw the highlight right on the high points and everything. So as far as achieving the look that Nikki was going for, I think she does a fantastic job at making that really accessible. If you're a beginner at makeup and you just kind of want someone to guide you through it, through maybe what I would consider, like, I wouldn't have known how to necessarily go from start to finish on a look like this on my own, and I certainly wouldn't have been creative enough to put it together on my own. So these kinds of things are really fun. It's just fun to kind of follow through someone else who's obviously far more skilled and far more experienced than me. All in all, I'm really glad that I did this. And I feel really pretty. All dressed up, nowhere to go, and honestly I have no idea what I would even go to in a look like this. People would be like, dang, whoa. But yeah, thank you Nikki of Nikkietutorials for making amazing videos for so long. I've been watching her videos for years. She's just super dedicated. She has a really great bubbly personality. She comes across super sincere on camera. I've just always loved watching her videos, mainly because they are so far outside of my comfort zone. So guys, if you enjoyed this, watching me kind of stumble through one of Nikki's tutorials, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to keep hanging out with me on this channel, I promise I don't usually look like this, go ahead and hit the button down below and subscribe. I would love it if you did. And guys, I hope you're having a fantastic week. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!